Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we're going Cajun. We're doing something special. We're doing some Cajun 15 beans and rice. Not red beans and rice, but 15 beans and rice, because this recipe is sponsored by my friends at Hearst Ham Beans, and they sent me some of their packages of Cajun 15 bean soup mix, and this is what I made for them. It is so good. So we got some mushrooms, we got the beans. They're just kind of soaking. I've rinsed them. You don't have to soak these overnight, by the way. Just, a few minutes while you're getting your veggies chopped. We got some onion, some bell pepper, and our celery. Those are like the holy trinity of Cajun cooking. We're going to chop those really, really fine, as small as we can, and just dump everything in our Instant Pot. There goes the celery. And we're just going to give that a quick stir. And we're going to set our Instant Pot to saute mode. And just add a tablespoon or two of veg broth, keep it from sticking. Get some garlic minced up. When the veggies are softened, we'll add our garlic. In goes a carton of veg broth and a little bit of water, and I'll have the exact amounts and all the ingredients and stuff like that down in the link below, so you can check that out. Give that a quick stir. We're going to add our beans. And there's the seasoning packet that came with the soup mix. We're going to dump that in. That's Cajun seasoning. And I like smoked paprika, so I'm going to add a little bit more. And some bay leaves. And we'll just give that a quick stir. Pop on our lid. Make sure the vent is set to sealed. And we're going to go in manual mode for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, you can chop our mushrooms. Get them all ready to go. When it's ready, get a wooden spoon or something and release that pressure. We're going to do a quick release. Be very careful. This stuff is hot, 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 hot. So when the pressure's released and the little thing drops, we can carefully remove our lid, dump in our mushrooms. We're going to smush those down the best we can. A little bit of time. And in a little bit of black pepper. And in the very center of this, I'm going to make a little well, and I'm going to pop in a can of Rotel tomatoes. Now, if you don't like the green chili tomatoes, you can just add diced tomatoes. Make sure they're in the center. You don't want them touching the sides, they may scorch. Add the lid, set it back to seal. We're going to go 15 more minutes. That's just enough to get the mushrooms softened down and get everything all kind of cooked together. And there we go, Cajun 15 beans and rice. All I'm doing here is just kind of making sure the beans are done, they're soft, and they're perfect. 45 minutes. That's all it takes. Now this is optional. I like my little immersion blender just to kind of thicken it up a little bit. You don't want to make refried beans, obviously, but just a little bit here and there. Or you can use a potato smasher, whatever you want. And then to serve, I got some brown rice. This is me trying to be all fancy and food bloggerish. And some beans on top, and some jalapenos, some green onion, whatever kind of garnish you like. Gotta have the hot sauce though. I mean, this is Cajun, come on. There we go. Cajun 15 beans and rice. That's the recipe for the week. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, please be sure and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And come back next week. I do a recipe video every single week showing you exactly how easy it is to cook plant-based. Until then, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.